Buckle up for the ride of a lifetime. Ever wonder what it's like to be the captain of a big old bus? It's not just about steering a massive vehicle through busy streets. You see them everywhere, navigating city streets and cruising down highways, but there's so much more to their job than meets the eye. But have you ever stopped to think about the person behind the wheel, the one who ensures your safety and comfort on every trip? The men and women who get us where we need to go safely and on time? They are the unsung heroes of our daily commutes. In this essay, we're going to dive headfirst into the world of bus drivers. We'll uncover the layers of responsibility they shoulder every day. We'll explore everything from their daily duties, which include not just driving, but also ensuring the bus is in top condition, and the skills they need, like maneuvering through tight spaces and handling the vehicle with precision, to the challenges they face, such as dealing with heavy traffic, unpredictable weather, and sometimes even unruly passengers, and the rewards they reap, like the satisfaction of a job well done and the gratitude of their passengers. Get ready to learn about a job that's more than just driving. It's about connecting people and communities, building relationships along the way. It's about connecting people and communities. They are the lifeline that keeps our cities moving, one stop at a time. So, are you ready to take a ride? Let's go. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of bus drivers and appreciate the dedication they bring to their work every single day. Before we hit the gas, let's take a look at the route ahead. Understanding the journey is crucial for a smooth ride. We'll be covering the ins and outs of being a bus driver, including the daily challenges and rewards that come with the job. Job responsibilities. From pre trip inspections to passenger assistance, we'll break down a day in the life of a bus driver. You'll see how each task ensures the safety and comfort of every passenger. Skills and experience. Find out what it takes to be in the driver's seat, from technical skills to people skills. We'll delve into the training required and the experience that makes a great bus driver. Team and tools. It's not a solo job. We'll explore the team behind every bus driver and the tools they use to get the job done. From the maintenance crew to the ticketing systems, every element plays a vital role. Get ready to learn the ropes of this essential profession. Whether you're considering a career change or just curious, this guide will provide valuable insights into the world of bus driving. Buckle up and let's get started. So, what does a bus driver actually do all day? You might think it's just about driving from point A to point B, but there's so much more to it. Well, it's more than just steering and hitting the brakes. The day begins with a thorough inspection of the bus. A typical day starts ting before the first passenger boards. Drivers arrive early to ensure everything is in perfect working order. Drivers inspect their buses, checking tires, lights, and everything in between. They make sure the vehicle is safe and ready for the day's journey. Safety is priority number one. They have to be meticulous because the safety of their passengers depends on it. Once on the road, drivers follow strict schedules and routes, navigating traffic and making sure passengers get on and off safely. They have to be punctual, as many people rely on them to get to work, school, and other important destinations. They need to be aware of their surroundings, communicate clearly with passengers, and handle any situation that arises. Whether it's giving directions, answering questions, or dealing with unexpected events, they must stay calm and composed. It's a demanding job, but it's also rewarding, knowing you're providing an essential service to your community. The smiles and thank yous from passengers make it all worthwhile. Every day brings new challenges and opportunities to make a difference in people's lives. Think you have what it takes to be a bus driver? It takes a special kind of person to handle this job. Of course, you need a clean driving record and a commercial driver's license. But there's more to it than that. Excellent communication skills are a must as you will be interacting with passengers from all walks of life. Patience is key, especially when dealing with traffic jams or unexpected delays. And let's not forget about those awesome people skills. Being a bus driver isn't just about driving, it's about connecting with people and making their journeys a little bit brighter.